August 5th, I think, the 6th. August 5th, 2024. I'm in Connecticut in a town called, I don't know, Ridgefield, Lake Wapika. I think it's Ridgefield, Connecticut. But anyway, I'm going to this house. It says the system is making a grinding noise. I don't know, that could be anything. But I don't get details. I just get quick notes. The excuses that we're booked. We're very busy. Yeah, all right. I'll write some extra notes. But anyway, hope all is well. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. Today, Tuesday? Monday. Yeah, I hope everyone had a nice weekend. Nice weekend. Taking a vacation starting Thursday. And that's that. Let's check it out. Oh boy, one of these. Password or something. So we got through the gate after about 5 minutes of pressing buttons. Okay, tools. So what's going on? You have a grinding noise or something?
It was working over the weekend. I put it on for a few hours and then I turned it off. Just
inside or outside? The noise.
Oh, it's in the basement.
Okay.
It's actually behind the house. I'll bring it up there.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
Can we go to the thermostat first?
Oh, sure.
Thank you. You said Ronnie?
Ronnie.
I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, come on in. It's right here.
Okay.
I guess it's 77.
Did it make a noise when you turned it on today?
No, it sounded good. I mean, throughout the weekend it was fine.
Intermittent, maybe.
Yeah, right. It's intermittent thing. It happened once, like a month or so ago.
Okay, let's see.
And then,
Is it a grinding or is it actually just like a vibration of metal?
no, it was just like it was taxing, but it wasn't cooling.
Okay.
I think it was still blowing, but it happened because I had friends here and it was a pretty hot night, like in the 90s. And I had it running a couple of hours before and I was
cooking. Cooling and then it stopped.
Right, and
yeah,
it stopped.
But after you, if you don't mind.
Sure.
Thank you. Version to get us. Okay. This doesn't even have a check this filter out. Hacks. Let me turn this off. Disconnect. Yeah, you're gonna have a grinding noise, all right. Wet. So, question is, what's going on? Unless not the furnace isn't. I see something. So I got a grinding noise. Pour some water down this guy. Up there. This is ridiculous. Because it's in a basement, they just think they do a half-assed job. This sucks. This capacitor. Ridiculous. Pump works. Oh, I gotta check our airflow too upstairs. But let me check this stuff. Don't ever judge a book by its cover. 10 microfarads. I'm still changing it. That's crazy. Transformer's wet. Motor spins freely. The transformer and the capacitor are getting changed today before I put my hands on this. Before I leave my name on it. Do you have a towel I could use? Yeah, do you have a towel? Just hit it on. I'll tell you when to turn it off. I just want to test it.
Okay.
All right, you can turn it off. Thank you. I'm gonna spray some coil cleaner on there because she said she gets a bad smell. I'm gonna seal this up because it was hardly on the door. This is dry now. Let me seal this. I'll see if there's a crack in this thing. I don't like that. It's not even draining. Look at that. Here we go. There's your problem. Right through the seam of the coil and the furnace. Look at the chooch who put that in. No seal. So you're pulling in air and you're not going to allow the water to drain. Sealed. Look at that. Unbelievable. You can clearly see the whole back of this thing's not attached. From there and all the way up. And I don't know how I'm going to get behind this. It's pretty tight, but I'll figure it out. I'm going to silicone from top up here, though. And I have to dry the bottom down here in order to get any kind of mastic to stick. Look at this. Hackery, man. Call them Hackery. Come on, Hackery. And we're going to have some installers come over here and actually get down here. You know, I don't do the whole install thing. I'm not better than it. It's not my trick. It's not what I do. So at least I get the silicone for her now. And then on the back side, I'm going to mastic there. And then on the bottom of this whole thing, I think it'll be fine. But that's what's drawing. That's what it's doing. It's drawing in, I believe, pulling vacuum. So the fan's going that way, drawing in all that air. And she was saying it stinks down here. It stinks up there because of this basement. I'm thinking it's the filter door, which it probably was too. But after thinking about it, I said, wait a second. Let me check the integrity of the cabinet. Just as I thought. Hackery. Stackery. Unbelievable, dude. Really? Really? That's how you do your job? Like, you could go to sleep at night like that? Low lives. I guarantee you that pan cracked when that unit got separated because all they did was tape it together. It's not even, there's nothing to I think there was one screw connecting the two. She's cooling. Check temp split. This was put in, This was put in 2018, 2023, she said, but the unit inside was 18. So I guess the builder put just the coil inside. They probably didn't care about it because they weren't running the AC, and then 2 years later she got AC. 5 p.m. Going to a no AC call in Mayapack, New York. It says no AC, I think in master bedroom. I don't know, there's a couple of units over here. But let's see what it is. What's up, doctor? How are you?
Good.
What's going on?
One of our units is on the fritz.
What's it doing or not doing?
It's not cooling. The fan is working.
Inside?
Yeah.
Have you checked the filter?
It's shut right now, so I'll go turn it on. I didn't want to run it for a few days.
What shut down, the outside or the inside?
I just shut it from the inside, but that shut everything down. It's doing what it does when it's out of
Why?
coolant.
Why? You've had leaks with it?
Yeah. In the
All right.
past.
Can we turn it on and check it?
Yep.
You're gonna end up doing. Is it an old system or new?
Oh. Probably want to replace it with a split system.
A mini split or a split? You have a split.
Huh?
You have a split. You're talking mini split?
Mini split.
Okay.
You know, on the wall.
Yeah, everyone calls them splits, but yeah, the split is a split and mini split. Yeah. Why? True.
It's simpler. And the newer systems are much better, more efficient.
Yes, they are.
But this.
We have ducted minis too. Like they're
Oh, you do.
yeah, they're mini, very efficient mini split condensers outside, and then you have the ducted air handler inside.
Can you use the same air handler that?
No, not an existing one.
Yeah.
They have because
Oh,
it's communicating.
When you see the.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Chill.
Hello.
It's all in the dirt.
Hello. Not answering. I'm scared. You're not real. Like all it's a dog bark. I can't recall things, so she knows it's me. Get you situated first.
What are we doing over here? Ah, shit, man. 1980. Wow. Pop. It's gonna pop. It's on? Well, it tripped 3 times before, right? And now it's on, so yeah, that thing's gonna be something different. It popped 3 times and then it didn't. I mean, it could be the breaker's bad too, but if it's even running when I get out here. See my pressures. No compressor, that's why. It'll pop as soon as the compressor tries to kick on. See how low this fucker goes. So, disconnected hard start, replace capacitor at 28, and you had a short at your coming from your contactor direct. So I just replaced it. I just bypassed this hard start original relay. Well, let me clean this up before I say anything. So basically, I just bypassed this. Here, you had your short coming from your Molex that was touching against this ground here. This had 28 microfarads on it. I'm saying, what do you think? What do you think we're gonna have to do? Think we're gonna fix it? You tell me. Do you have faith in me or no?
I have faith you can fix it.
I think I did.
You did?
I think so. For another 10 years. You had a short. But before I say it out loud too much, let's start it up again after I clean up my tools. This thing's been through the ringer, bro. There's the coil on it. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, I know I removed the part. It's called a hard start. I removed it and left it out. The guy wants to replace the system with ductless. Don't ask me why, but he does it on that side of the house. So I threw in the cap, the wire coming from the common off the contactor to the hard start was shorting to ground. I thought it was going to be a compressor issue. And my pressures, R22 look good. I mean, it's 67, they came down to 68 on the low side. But it's 5:55 right now and I'm out. I'm going home to sleep. No, I'm just going to go shower, that's for sure. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.